Hi, my name is Dr. Roman. I'm a high school science teacher in Wuhan Yangtze International School. Been here for about 2 years. Before I came to Wuhan, it was a very interesting job. I taught in the University of Chemistry and Technology in Prague. They needed somebody to teach general chemistry courses for the group of students from the United States. And they had a very good STEM lab, one of the best in Europe, so I learned a lot from that experience. Previously, I had the chance to teach in China, to work in China, in Beijing. It was exciting, so I decided it would be a good experience for me again and also for my family. That's why I'm here in Wuhan Yangtze International School. AP courses are very difficult and complex courses of the college level. That's why I help my students to go deep in understanding the concepts, not just simply answer the question, but be very critical. In my classroom, we try to connect almost every concept to some real object and then try to make something with, transform it. So we able to observe how these concepts work on practice. And there's a lot of lecturing, which is pretty mature methods of teaching, and a lot of independent self-study work for students. So they must be critical, select the proper material, be able to organize and present it in a proper way. So these skills are essential for their future studies. My job as a teacher is to make my students believe in their strength, and I'm trying to build that confidence. So whenever they see the problem, they ready to start. Maybe struggle, but at the end they will solve it. Whenever they see the assignment of the lab experiment, they try. Maybe they fail in the process, but at the end they will succeed. So building that confidence, building that belief that I can do that is an essential part of my job. Science itself is very exciting, and I like to observe beauty and harmony of it. And also it's very practical because our civilization is just built on science. That's why it's very cool to do that together with my students, to explore nature, to incorporate scientific method in practice. So I really enjoy the moment when students make connections. They can identify, oh, this is Archimedes' principle, this is Bernoulli's principle. And they also can explain it to other students, so they become like instructors, tutors to others. And then I understand, okay, I'm doing my job well. Teaching science is a lot about creating proper environment and a lot about this interaction between teacher and students when you understand their mental and emotional state and ready to help. And it's all holistic. You see the goal, that personality, and you're trying to help and invest in that development. So this is what we're trying to do in Wuhan Yangtze International School.